ABC CHOMP!
Hi everyone! Are you ready to play ABC CHOMP with me, Ari the Alligator? Today's letter is the letter D. Do you know any words that start with the letter D? How about dog? D-O-G. Or maybe you know doll. D-O-L-L. Oh, do you know the word dress? D-R-E-S-S. Oh, or maybe you can play the drum. D-R-U-M. Oh, or do you know the word duck? D-U-C-K. These are the words that start with the letter D. Let's try to find them when we play ABC CHOMP. Yay! Okay, now we're going to play the uppercase letters, and we'll play the letter A, B, C, D. Okay, let's play the level for the letter D, and we're going to play the easy mode. Here we go.
Can you read
Oh, did you see the words? Okay, let's say the letters. Ready?
D
D,
O
O,
G?
G. That spells dog. Oh, where was the dog? Did you see the dog? Was it behind number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5? Ah, I know, it's behind number 1.
Yes.
Yay!
Can you read this word?
All right, let's say the letters.
D
D,
U
U,
C
C,
K?
K. Oh, that spells duck. Quack, quack. Oh, where is the duck? Is it behind number 2? Behind number 3? Number 4? Or number 5? Oh, you know what? I think I saw it behind number 3.
Yes.
Yay!
Can you read this word?
All right, here we go.
D
D,
R
R,
E
E,
S
S,
S.
S. Oh, that spells dress. Oh no, I can't remember where the dress was. Oh, do you know? Is it behind number 2, number 4, or number 5? Oh, maybe it's behind number 5.
Nope, it's not.
Oh
doll.
no, that's a doll. Was it behind number 2 or number 4? Oh, maybe it's behind number 4.
Nope, it's not.
Oh
drum.
no, that's a drum. Oh, well then I know it's behind number 2.
Yes.
Yay!
Can you read this word?
All right, let's say the letters.
D
D,
R
R,
U
U,
M.
M. That spells drum. I remember where the drum is. I just saw it. Ready? It's behind number 5? Oh, no. Behind number 4.
Yes, it's
Yay!
drum. Can you read this word?
Okay, here's the last word.
D
D,
O
O,
L
L,
L.
L. Doll. Oh, I know. It's behind number 5. Ready?
Yes, it's doll.
Yay! Okay, we can eat these words when we play ABC CHOMP. Let's say the words one time. Ready? Dog, dress, duck, drum, doll. Okay, here we go.
Dog.
Oh, dog, yes, we can eat it.
Yummy. Elf.
Elf, no, that's not a D word. Oh, no, that's dangerous.
Car.
That's a C word. No, thank you. Oh, no, another bomb.
Dog.
Dog, yes, we can eat a dog.
Eel.
Eel? Oh, no.
Ear.
Ear? No, we can't eat that. Yes, that's a D word.
Yummy. Cow.
A cow. No, thank you.
Dog.
A dog. Yes.
Good job. How many words did you get?
Okay, how many words did we get? Let's check. How many dogs? We got 3 dogs. How many dolls? 0 dolls. How many dresses? We got 1 dress. How many drums? 0 drums. How many ducks did we get? We got 0 ducks. Oh wow, we got 800 points. Wow, if you play ABC Chomp, can you get more points than this? I bet you can. And after you play ABC Chomp, don't forget to get the free worksheets, and you can practice reading and writing the words that start with the letter D. Yay! ABC Chomp is so fun! Okay, see you again. Goodbye!